I have discovered a YouTube niche with very low competition. Look at the channel Bob Invests. This channel is getting massive views by uploading simple finance videos. One video uploaded 4 weeks ago has around 690,000 views, and most of his videos receive views in the tens or even hundreds of thousands. Some videos easily cross 100,000 plus views, even though the channel has uploaded only a few videos. The most interesting part is that another channel copied this exact format and is getting even more views. That channel is called Sketchy Nance. It uses a very similar name and the same style of finance videos. The channel has uploaded a total of 65 videos, most of which are YouTube Shorts. It has uploaded only 10 to 15 long-form videos, and out of those, one video alone has reached 841,000 views. These types of finance videos are trending heavily right now, and many people are growing their channels by making them. The best part is that these videos are very easy to create, and the competition in this niche is still low. I made a similar video in just 10 minutes using a free AI tool, and it is 100% AI generated. Watch this preview of the
For
video.
a long time, you've probably felt something that's hard to put into words. You're working harder than your parents did. You're more educated, you're more efficient, you answer emails at night, you stay reachable on weekends, you juggle multiple responsibilities, and yet life feels tighter, not easier, not more stable, just heavier. Bills take up more of your paycheck. Savings feel fragile. One emergency can undo months of effort. And when people say, just work harder, something inside you quietly says, I already am. That feeling isn't laziness, it isn't entitlement. It's your lived experience colliding with an outdated story about how money is supposed to work. Many people quietly assume they're doing something wrong, that maybe they missed a step everyone else figured out, because the old promise was simple. If you show up, work hard, and stay loyal,
In today's
life
video, you will see that preview and notice how engaging it is. In this same video, I will show you exactly how it was made. I will teach you step by step how to create the same type of finance video using free AI tools. This niche also has a very strong RPM, around $10 to $15, which makes it highly profitable. Now let's get started and learn how to make this type of video. To make a video like this, I spent a lot of time and effort creating a detailed prompt for you. It took careful work to design it so that you can create videos exactly like the ones other successful finance channels are making. I have prepared a set of ready-to-use prompts for you in Google Docs. The link to these Google Docs is in the description below. All you need to do is click the link, and you will see the prompts ready for use. First, we will generate our video topic. To do this, you need to copy the first prompt from the Google Doc. After copying it, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the input box exactly as it is. Once pasted, click the Generate button, and ChatGPT will start giving you topic ideas. These will be viral topic ideas, and ChatGPT will provide 10 suggestions. If you don't like any of them, you can choose your own topic or generate more topics using the same method. Let's say I choose topic number 4 from the suggestions. Using this topic as a reference, we will now create a complete video script, which ChatGPT will generate for us step by step. Now go back to Google Doc, where you will find the second prompt. Here you can make any changes you want, such as how long the video should be, how many characters or words the script should have. After making these adjustments, copy the prompt and return to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT. In the prompt, you will see 2 brackets labeled Add Your Topic. Here, paste the topic you chose earlier, for example, topic number 5 from ChatGPT's suggestions. After pasting the topic, double-check the prompt to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Generate button. ChatGPT will ask you a question like, do you want to generate your script? Give a simple answer. Generate script. And ChatGPT will start creating the full script for you. This generated script will be long, clean, and fully relevant, with no unnecessary words or irrelevant content. The entire script is prepared automatically by ChatGPT, ready for you to use in your video. Now your complete script is ready. You can see that it contains no irrelevant words and is a fully structured script. Copy the script exactly as it is, then open Google Docs and create a new document. Paste your script there. Once pasted, carefully read through the script. If you notice any mistakes, correct them at this stage. It's important that the script is completely accurate because next, We will generate the voiceover for this script using AI. A clean, error-free script ensures that the voiceover will sound professional and smooth. To generate the voiceover, we will use 11 Labs, which allows you to create a real-time AI voice. You can find the link in the description below. First, log into 11 Labs and go to the text-to-speech section. You will see an interface with a box where you can paste your script. I have already copied my script from Google Docs, so I will paste it here. Next, on the right side, you will see the Voices option. There are many AI voices available. You can listen to them first and then click Add to Voice to select the one you like. After that, click the Generate button and your voiceover will be ready. Once generated, download the audio. If your script is long, you can generate the voiceover in parts, half by half, and download them separately. I have generated the voiceover for half of my script. Now that our voiceover is ready, the next step is to create a character that will represent your entire channel. To do this, go to Google Doc and copy the third prompt. This prompt allows you to create a custom character similar to the ones used by other finance channels like Bob Invests. This character will represent your channel in every video and act as a consistent figure for your audience. After copying the prompt, go to the website Pippit AI, link in the description. If you sign up through the link, you will get 520 free credits, which you can use to generate images. Once signed up and logged in, the main interface will appear. Click on the image option and click the plus icon and select Upload to Computer to upload an image for your character. You can use any photo, either a picture of yourself or a generative AI image. After uploading your image, paste the third prompt from Google Doc into the prompt box. In the model section, select Nano Banana, then choose the aspect ratio you want. Click the arrow button and your character image will start generating. A new interface like this will appear in front of you. When you click the Generate button, your character image will start being created. You need to wait 15 to 20 seconds and then your character image will be ready. I uploaded my reference image, and after generating it, I got a character similar to the ones other finance channels use for their videos. Now that our character is ready, we will use it throughout our video. This character will represent the entire video and act as a constant figure for the audience. To save it, click the Download button and select PNG as the format. In the watermark section, choose Without Watermark to ensure the image is clean. Click the Download button and your character image will be saved to your device, ready to use in your video. The next step is to create the visual images for your script, similar to what your competitors are making. To do this, go back to Google Doc, where you will find a simple prompt. Copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt there and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then ask you for the first paragraph of your script. It asks for a paragraph because it will generate a detailed image prompt based on that paragraph. Copy the first short paragraph of your script from Google Docs and paste it into ChatGPT. Click the Generate button and ChatGPT will create the image prompt for that paragraph. This prompt can now be used to generate images that perfectly match the content of your script. You will repeat this process for each paragraph to get visuals for your entire video. After copying the prompt from ChatGPT, return to Pippit AI, the same platform we used to create the character image. In the image generation section, you will see the same interface as before. First, click the plus icon and upload the character image that we created earlier. Once the image is uploaded, paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for the first paragraph into the prompt box. After pasting, click the Generate button, and Pippit AI will start creating the image. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready, perfectly matching the content of that paragraph. This image will serve as the visual representation for that part of your script. You can see that the first image has been generated according to the character we uploaded. Now, to create the next image, go back to Google Docs and copy the next paragraph of your script. After copying, go back to ChatGPT, where we generated the first image prompt. Paste this new paragraph into the prompt box and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will create the image prompt for the second paragraph. Copy this prompt. Next, return to Pippit AI, the same website where we created the first image. Upload the same character image you used before. Then, paste the second prompt you just copied from ChatGPT. Make sure your main character image is uploaded, then click Generate. Your second image will now be created according to the character and the new prompt. you will see a high-quality result that matches the script perfectly. You have to follow the same steps for each paragraph. First, copy the next paragraph from Google Docs. Then, paste it into ChatGPT to generate the image prompt for that paragraph. After generating the prompt, go back to Pippit AI, the image generation website. Click the plus icon and upload your main character image again. Once uploaded, paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into the prompt box and click the Generate button. Your next image will now be created. Remember, every time you generate a new image prompt from ChatGPT, you must go to Pippit AI, click the plus icon, upload your character, paste the new prompt, and then click Generate. This ensures that your main character remains consistent throughout the video, making it more professional and engaging. Repeat these steps for all paragraphs of your script to generate the complete set of images for your video. After all the images are generated, the next step is to download them. Click the download button for each image. Make sure to select PNG format and choose without watermark so the images are clean and ready to use. Step by step, go through all the images and download them one by one. Once completed, you will have all the visuals needed for your video. The next step is to convert these images into next-level videos. And the best part is, we can do it for free. To make your video more engaging, we will turn the static images into dynamic video scenes. For this, we will use Flow AI, which gives you 100 free credits, enough to create 5 videos for free. If you need more, you can easily create multiple accounts to get additional credits. First, go to Flow AI and click on Create with Flow. Then, click on New Project, and the main interface will open. From here, we can start converting our images into videos and bring your script to life. First, click on the Settings button in Flow AI. Here, select the aspect ratio and choose 16:9. Next, select the number of videos you want to generate from this image. Choose one. For the model, select Google VEO3. After that, click on Text to Video, then choose Frame to Video. A plus icon will appear, click it, and upload your first image that you downloaded earlier. Once the image is uploaded, you need to paste the same prompt that we used in Pippit AI for generating this image. Go back to Pippit AI, copy the prompt you used for this image, return to Flow AI, paste it here, and then click Generate. Your video will start processing, and soon your first video clip will be ready. As you can see, our first video clip is ready, but it also has a voice, which we don't want because we already have our own voiceover. To fix this, upload the next image. After uploading, copy its prompt from Pippit AI and paste it into Flow AI. Below the prompt, type a note saying, "Do not speak anything in the video." This tells Flow AI to generate the video without any voiceover. Then, click the Generate button. This way, the video will only have visuals and sound effects, but no voice. Once this is done, we can apply our own AI-generated voiceover to the video for the final result. You have to repeat this step for each image. Upload your image, then paste the same prompt that was used to generate it. Below the prompt, write, "No voiceover in video." After that, click the Generate button, and your video clip will be ready. I quickly converted all my images into video clips by repeating the same process, and you can do the same to convert all your images into videos using this method. After generating all your video clips, the next step is to download them. Click on the Download button and select Download with Original Quality to ensure the videos are high quality. Repeat this for all your video clips, saving them to your device. Next, we will edit the video using CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, I've included a download link in the description. Open CapCut and click on the Import button. Import both the video clips you just downloaded and the voiceover audio from 11 Labs. I quickly imported all my video clips and the 11 Labs voiceover, so everything is ready to start the editing process. First, bring your voiceover onto the CapCut timeline. Remove any unwanted parts or empty gaps, just like I'm doing. After cleaning up, listen carefully to your voiceover and start adding your video clips one by one. Next, reduce the volume of each clip's original sound so it doesn't compete with your voiceover. To do this, click on a clip, go to the sound option in the top right corner, and lower the volume slightly. This keeps the sound effects in the video while making sure your voiceover is clear. Adjust the volume for all clips accordingly. I quickly arranged all my clips on the timeline and adjusted their volumes properly. If you want, you can add transitions by clicking on the Easy Transition option. There are many available. You can also generate automatic captions if needed. Once everything is ready, click Export and your video will be saved to your device. The final video is complete. All the AI tools I used as well as the prompts are linked in the description below. Check them out. See you in the next video.
For a long time, you've probably felt something that's hard to put into words. You're working harder than your parents did. You're more educated, you're more efficient. You answer emails at night, you stay reachable on weekends, you juggle multiple responsibilities, and yet life feels tighter, not easier, not more stable, just heavier. Bills take up more of your paycheck. Savings feel fragile. One emergency can undo months of effort. And when people say, just work harder, something inside you quietly says, I already am. That feeling isn't laziness, it isn't entitlement. It's your lived experience colliding with an outdated story about how money is supposed to work. Many people quietly assume they're doing something wrong, that maybe they missed a step everyone else figured out, because the old promise was simple. If you show up, work hard, and stay loyal, life will reward you. That promise shaped how we think about effort, morality, and money. Hard work was supposed to lead to stability, stability to security, security to dignity. But today, that chain feels broken. And when a system breaks, the people inside it tend to blame themselves first. You start questioning your choices, your discipline, even your worth. But before we do that, we need to slow down and ask a harder question. What if the system itself changed, but the expectations never did? To understand why hard work doesn't pay like it used to, we have to step back and look at something most people never see. Not motivation, not mindset. Math. Specifically, the relationship between how much value workers produce and how much they're paid for producing it. This is where the idea of productivity comes in. Productivity is simply how much output is created per hour of work.